As winter approaches, our energy use at home naturally increases, and with energy costs at an all-time high, we need to be mindful of how we use energy in our daily lives. While energy efficiency will not stop our bills rising, making small changes around the home can make a difference. Ensure your heating is set to the right temperature. We should set our thermostats to the lowest comfortable temperature. For most of us, that's between 18 and 21 degrees. A reduction of even 1 degree could reduce an annual heating bill by 1/10. Remember to turn radiators down or even off in rooms that aren't used to save heat. Reduce costs on appliances. We can save money by turning our lights and appliances off at the wall rather than on standby. Washing machines and tumble dryers make up a big part of a typical energy bill. You can reduce energy use by washing full loads at 30 degrees and drying clothes outside if possible. Our cooking habits can also save money. Using slow cookers and cooking in bulk to freeze and reheat can be more economical than using the oven or stove. Make sure you're getting the best deal from your supplier. If you use home heating oil, phone around companies for the best deal and use the Northern Ireland Consumer Council Weekly Oil Price Comparison Tool. Make sure you're being charged for actual energy usage rather than receiving an estimated bill by submitting regular energy meter readings. Savings can also be made by changing how we pay and receive energy bills. Paying by direct debit or receiving bills electronically will reduce payments. Contact your energy service provider to check you're on the best available tariff, or use the Consumer Council's Energy Price Comparison Tool to find the best deal. For further information on using less energy and energy affordability, visit consumercouncil.org.uk or call 0800 121 6022.